Thank you very much for bestowing this honor upon me. I am most humbled and very grateful. I have been volunteering at the hospital since 1975, and it has been a real pleasure. Some of the highlights during this period: first of all, I think the Stephen B. Roman Wing. I was chair of the board. We doubled the size of the hospital, and I practically lived there for 4 years. During this period, Gwyneth Thompson and I co-authored Stitches in Time, and it's a book about the pioneer healthcare in Skugog and beyond. And it was most interesting to write a whole book. Also, during that time, I volunteered for the auxiliary at the diabetic workshop. So I'd be here in the morning at 7 o'clock and wouldn't get back home till sometime after lunch. But whenever you meet someone, they always say that was the most interesting and informative time I've ever had. And then, of course, I have been chair of the North Durham Advisory Panel since its inception, which is over 20 years, and that has been wonderful. Being on the Heroes of Hope campaign was another wonderful adventure, because the task that we were given, the amount of money, was a tremendous amount, but we did it, and we have cancer care closer to home. I also have really appreciated being on the master plan steering committee. It has been most informative, and when you're asked to go out 25 to 30 years regarding healthcare in Durham region, it certainly is a task. And God willing, I'll still be here to see some of those plans come to fruition. Oh, and another thing, there was the fire in Port Perry, which was pretty traumatic, but we have risen from the ashes and we're even better than we were before. So thank you very much. I'm deeply humbled.